Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I have a do-it-yourself project here. My husband and I are changing out our shower head, and I just wanted to share with you how simple it is. So these are the three parts to the shower head. You got the hose, and then of course you got the shower head, and then you have your attachment, that gray part. This is my husband putting everything together. Of course, just read your directions. It's simple. So we're going to remove the existing shower head, which has a lot of water build up on it, so I wanted a new one. And plus I've always wanted one that detaches from the shower. So you just add this little piece here. I actually picked this up from Lowe's. It's the Moomoo brand. So you see where you can still see some thread at the top. Later my husband is gonna have to use the vice grips and tighten that gray part. But this is the shower. Yay! Shower head. So it has 6 different water levels, and I'll demonstrate that shortly. But yeah, I just wanted to share how simple it is to replace your shower head. Okay, now I'll be demonstrating the 6 different water pressures. That's the first one. Second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Which is your favorite? The fourth one is my favorite. Yeah, I think I like it. Full blast. So yeah, so this is a simple way to change out your shower head. Thank you and have a nice day.